all the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your decisions. Hello folks, good evening. Welcome to this recap video. Today is June 18th, 2024. Today happens to be the Tuesday, and tomorrow being a holiday, the market was very choppy. Let me share my screen so that we can get started on what happened today and how we can position ourselves for tomorrow. That is on Thursday. Okay, that is June 20th. So let me share my screen. So here we go. If you see, the first one we want to look at is SPY. SPY was very choppy today. It has reached a particular height. I mean, the SPY has been going up so much, but it has yet to reach this line, but which is the next resistance on the weekly. But it has gone to a height of 548.46. But will it stop here because it has formed a 90 degrees over this? But it has been consolidating around this range. So let's see what happens. But it's still bullish. There is no sign of stopping it. Okay. Similarly, QQQ. The QQQ on the weekly charts again looks very bullish, and we are looking at 485. So we there's still some more room to 490 area, 490, 493 area. So definitely it doesn't show any sign. So the two major stocks that again today, the semis were the major movers, and the two major things that really moved up was ARM. ARM today formed a beautiful all-time high. It went to 174. Look at this 10-minute chart, folks, on the right side. It went on up and up because there was no resistance. If I'm trying to draw a line, I don't see any resistance anywhere. Even if I see this line, which is a doji, to draw a flat line, now I don't see anything because this was at 141.62. And we crossed that. This was yeah. So we don't see any resistance that keeps going up. So definitely ARM is a good long, and we can see it going close to 200. That's what it looks like. It doesn't seem to have any resistance. So I hadn't played today, but I'm planning to enter it on Thursday and see where it goes from. The next one is, of course, the darling, which has become the Nvidia. Nvidia has been going up and up. It has reached the midpoint of 137.5 and 150. I am a little bit cautious here because it has been moving up. I need it to fall down a bit. It has diverged so much away from this EMA 821 and from this resistance. It has. So I wanted to fall back, but yeah, being Nvidia and being so much of FOMO there, people are going on buying this. So maybe, I don't know, it can even go to 150. But let's keep our fingers crossed. It's above the Bollinger Band for the past 2 weeks, and it's overextended. So definitely Nvidia is overextended, but let's see what's in store for us on Thursday. So the bigger win for us was Palantir today. Palantir, beautifully, it went up to 25.84. I exited this around 25.60. So definitely this was my target, 25.80. So that's where it exactly went there and it stopped there. But definitely it was a 150%, 200% thing. And definitely it might come back here to consolidate around 23.87 before it moves to 27.90. I would be looking for that move, okay? So other than that, today, the three stocks that I've been following, Meta is still consolidating. It's like 3 weeks, it fell 3 weeks on April 22nd, 2024, and then it has been going up for 9 weeks. And its earnings are on July 24th. So it has still a month. So I'm expecting at least a move to 545. That was my initial thing. If it crosses that, it could go here. But definitely this move has been very slow. I have to accept, but I'm still waiting for one more week. So I have next week, I have actually July 5th, 525 calls. Hopefully that works out well, reaching this target of 547 by that time. Okay. The next one which I want to talk about is Spot. Spot is also very similar. It has fallen down for 3 weeks and it has been going up for 8 weeks. So this one, as you know, all guys know, Fibonacci is my favorite, and this being the 8th week. So I was expecting some fireworks, but it didn't happen. So I'm waiting for Thursday to see what would happen. If it continues to be under this line, I would be removing it. If it goes up, then I would be, the first target will be 329. And if it crosses that, 345. And if it crosses that, we are looking at this line, 376 or something. So let's see what's in store for us on Thursday. The last one, but not the least, which I have in my portfolio is Amazon. Amazon, I have July 19th calls. And what I'm expecting the first target to be 195 area. This is the area which I'm looking at. And if it crosses that, we can go to this area 200. So that is those are the portfolios, those are the stocks that I have in my portfolio. Okay. So that's pretty much the recap. Oh, by the way, today I just nibbled into coin, but coin was like being the 5th week after the breakout. But today it went down to 235.88. So I have lost, I mean, I remember I only bought 1/4 of this because I was not sure if it could get here. But still, I'm looking if it has some legs to move to 276. But today, what happened is BTC flushed today big time to 64,000. And this is, and will it go back here is the question, 71? Or is it because it's exactly at the mid of the Bollinger Band? So which is a good sign. So will it make it move upward? That's what we have to see. So that's the recap for today, folks. Definitely, hope you all have a relaxed holiday, tomorrow being Juneteenth. And we'll catch you up again on Thursday.